Hello sewing friends, welcome to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel. My name is Melissa, and if you didn't catch my last video, it was all about how to make half square triangles in 3 different ways. So if you missed that video, make sure to click the I in the right hand corner of this video. But before you go ahead and do that, today's video is all about how to make flying geese. This is another great beginner quilter video where we'll be using our adorable cheat sheets again, and we'll be learning how to make flying geese in 2 different ways. So let's get busy sewing. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel for quilting tips and tricks and fun fabric videos. In this tutorial, we are going to be making 1 at a time and 4 at a time flying geese. To make one flying geese that's 2.5 by 4.5, take a 2.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle and 2 2.5 inch squares. Draw diagonal lines on your 2.5 inch squares and place one of your squares right sides together to one of the ends of your rectangle. Take this over to your sewing machine and stitch on the line you drew. With the straight edge, cut 1/4 inch away from your sewn line. Press open your piece to finish one side of your flying geese. Now take your other 2.5 inch square and place on the other corner of your rectangle, and repeat the same process we just completed by sewing on the line you drew and trimming your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Finish off your flying geese by pressing it open. Want to make multiple flying geese at a time? Try the 4 at a time method. To get a 2 by 4 inch flying geese, you will need a 5 1/4 inch square and 4 2 7/8 squares. Draw diagonal lines on the wrong side of your 2 7/8 squares. Place 2 of them on opposite corners, right sides together to your larger square. Pin into place and make sure your lines match up. Stitch 1/4 inch from the line on each side of your piece. With your straight edge, cut your piece right down the middle on the line you drew. Now press your pieces open and place your remaining 2 7/8 squares on the corner of your pieces. Pin into place and stitch on each side of the line at 1/4 inch. With a straight edge, cut your pieces right down the middle to reveal 4 flying geese. Now that you have flying geese under your belt, head to liveartgalleryfabrics.com for tons of free quilts, pillows, and bag patterns to choose from, many of them featuring flying geese. So how did your flying geese turn out? I love using both of these methods. I use them all the time depending on my quilting project and on my mood. But I'd like to know, what's your favorite flying geese method? And for those of you who have any tips or tricks about making flying geese, make sure to share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And my next video is a fabric haul video, and I'm super excited about it because it's featuring our newest designer, Patty Basemi, and her collection Daydream. And I can't wait to show you all the cute, adorable prints. So until next time, happy sewing.